In this video, we're going to show you how to fold a fitted sheet. The first step is to have your sheet upside down on a flat surface that you can easily work with. Using the bed is a great option. We're then going to take the bottom corner and tuck it inside the top. After doing that for one side of the sheet, we're going to go ahead to the other and do the exact same thing, taking that bottom corner and tucking it on into that top corner, trying to make sure we can get all of it inside those folds so it looks nice. Once we've done that, we're just going to do a little more work and just making sure that we get all of the wrinkles inside this fold here, just so it's not going to be seen from the outside once we're done. Once we have this side done, then we're just going to jump on over, do the exact same thing on the other side, really just try and straighten up those lines and make the creases look good. After having completed these steps, we see that our fitted sheet is looking kind of like a U. And thankfully, it only gets easier from here. We're going to be folding it into thirds now. Taking one side, we'll bring it almost to the middle, switch on over to the other side, do the exact same thing until we have these two sides just about meet. Once that is done, then we're going to go ahead and check our creases, make sure everything is looking nice and clean and neat. And then finally, fold it over one more time until it is completely on top of each other. And again, make sure those wrinkles are pushed out as much as you can and straighten up those edges and those corners. And then we're going to fold it into thirds one more time. However, it's going to be from the opposite side here, as you can see. And we'll just keep on going, just trying to make it look as nice as we can. Fold it again, and then finally, we'll just do it one more time on top of each other. And then that is the basic way to fold a fitted sheet. Now, last thing to do is really just make it look pretty. Just push out those wrinkles, and there you have it. If you found this video helpful, it'd mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.